Vicus Scale served as a member of the Alpha Legion during the Horus Heresy. Surviving the devastating civil war which tore humanity asunder, Vicus assumed the role of a Chaos Lord of his own warband, the Daggerfangs. Fully surrendering his fealty to the ruinous powers of Chaos, Scale's fanaticism, combined with his conniving scheming, was rewarded by his benefactors with supernatural strength. Armed with a pair of demonic blades, as he charged into the fray by the side of the demon prince of Tzeentch, Sen-Cha, Vicus proved crucial in orchestrating the occupation of the world of Frostheim during the Siege of Fenris of 999.M41. Slain by Wolf Lord Harald Deathwolf during the Battle of Morkai's Keep, his Daggerfangs warband struggles to survive with the death of their liege. The reign of this duplicitous serpent, marked by the betrayal of his legion and his Primarch's ideals, his legacy is a reminder that only death and disgrace shall be won by the betrayers of humanity.